Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Ghost Touch problem on Redmi Note 7 Pro. Okay, so let's begin. So first, if you have any case that is touching your screen and might cause the Ghost Touch problem, simply you can remove it. Sometimes even such a basics can help. Also, clean your the screen to remove the debris or the moisture if there's any on your screen. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Simply clean it up a little, because it was all made. Sometimes it may help. Now unlock the device. Also, there is nothing in the settings such as the touch sensitivity or anything like that, so we don't need to do it. The last thing that we can do is to simply open up the settings, and in here we can check do we have any software updates. If there are some, they'll appear right in here, so don't worry, you won't miss anything. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.